Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we're going to cover Segun's model. Okay, so it is based on two main elements that are demand and supply. So it shows relationship between demand and supply. Okay, demand is basically all those people who are willing to travel, all the tourists, all the potential consumers of travel products at a destination will be demand. People who are willing to travel, people who have enough income, enough discretionary money, enough discretionary income, discretionary time to spend a holiday at a destination, to buy product and services at a destination will be demand. And supply is all that destination is offering to the demand. All these products and services and industry is offering to the demand. Okay, all the product and services tourist will have at a destination or a tourist will have in general will be the supply. Now what will tourist have? He will experience the attractions like the natural attractions like geographical features like beaches at a destination, waterfalls, or the creative attractions like museums, okay, heritage sites, or different resorts, hoteliers, all that will come into the attractions. The attraction, main attraction can be anything. You can be attracted to a resort, attracted to a museum, attracted to see a monument, attracted to see a different geographical features of beaches, of hill resorts, of hill region. Okay, so that all those are the attractions. We have four other elements of supply that are promotion. Promotion is basically the what marketers do, what the industry does is promote their product and services. Okay, so that is promotion. Basically the communication, how they are uh, promoting the product and services to the potential tourist, potential demand. Okay, and transportation, the all the traveling infrastructure, the rail, the road, the buses, the all those car rentals, ferry service, anything can be in transportation. We have number of transportation modes and services. Then we have services, and services will have all of the services, any service like hotel service. Okay, any service. And information is also a service. Basically information is the what demand, what the tourist will have, the knowledge about the product and service, knowledge about the attraction. So Segun has given five basic elements to the supply, main supply element that we have. Now, these all elements, right? Attraction, promotion, transportation, information, services. You can see there's arrows between them. So these all are related to each other. That we can understand that all these five elements of supply given by Segun are interconnected, are related to each other. So that is the basic relationship between demand and supply given by Segun. Also, you can see there are external factors that are influencing the demand and supply both. Demand is influenced by finance, the labor, okay, the entrepreneurship, the organization leadership, and supply element is influenced by cultural resources of a destination, natural resources of a destination, government policies of a destination, competition that we have among different services, different supply elements, and the community. So this all makes the Segun's model. It establishes, it shows the relationship between demand element and supply element. Demand is the all the tourist, all the consumer, and the supply is the attractions, promotion, transportation, information, services. And there's an external environment that is influencing both demand and supply. Now demand is influenced by labor patterns of a region. Okay, finances, how's the economy going, how's the finances, entrepreneurship, okay, leadership, organizations. So these all will influence the demand. And supply is influenced by cultural resources. If cultural resources are more abundant, there will be supply factor that is more more rich. Natural resources, destination is rich in natural resources, destinations government policies are supportive. Okay, there's no restrictions on the supply, on the destination, on the service providers. And the competition, okay, that will influence supply. Community, the local community, the guest host relationships are must. We often hear about that about the host opposing the arrival of tourists. So community also influences. If community is supportive, community is welcoming, okay, destination host population is welcoming, then the scenario will be different. That will affect the supply. So these are five elements that are affecting, five elements of supply and four elements that are affecting demand patterns of a destination. So that is basic Seagun's model, okay. Seagun's model or Seagun's tourism system defined in terms of demand and supply. I hope you learned. I hope you understand. Keep watching our videos, keep supporting us. Thank you. Have a great day.